Rippy, it's first Saturday of the month, so we're over in Marion, Ohio at the Royal King for the Rod Knockers Carshow. 11 years running, the first Saturday of the month through summer. Royal King's got a couple of compact Japanese tractors in stock. The one's got the backhoe attachment. Somebody bought him a new four-wheeler, BT Cruiser, the mini sheds. Nice Mustang just pulled in. We're over here at starting time. It runs 5 to 9. First, well, maybe the second time I've had my automobile here. My Prius, I mean. Versus my bike. Pretty sharp looking good over here by the entrance. Another Mustang. Over here, beautiful Marion, Ohio. This is the former Lowe's lumber building. 50s, mid-50s. The wide whites. I suppose they call that a short bed. Yeah. Okay. The prices are really up on the short bed trucks. Pair of Chevys. Mid-60s. It's got kind of a Shelby thing going on. Just my opinion, but electronic fuel injection. It's kind of neat, that gold stripe and then the caution tapes reflecting into the black and making it look like another stripe. That's the first time we've seen the sun. It's been dark all day and the sun's coming down out of the clouds here at 5 o'clock. Plymouth Prowler. That cool hood skip they had on these. So probably lucky to see one of those. They didn't make a lot of them. They were hand built and versus assembly line. And this one still has the you think that's a factory front fender, but it has the bumpers. Most of them they took them off. That almost looks like a door, that first part. Like it could come out and the pipes would come out like a Stutz Bearcat. Look how long the hood is in proportion. The 70s Nova, later 70s Nova, the matte black. I'll have to make it over to the drag strip here. So yeah, May the 7th, I'm not sure. It was kind of a slow week event-wise. And just guessing, I'm thinking it don't really pick up until Memorial Day, and then everything happens at once. That's 67, very nice 67. Yeah, it's that Chevelle there. Pretty wild looking, like a 64. Got some good quarter-mile cars here. It's setting up, you know, kind of ballsy looking. So the painters, they try to keep secret how they do this stuff, but they paint the car, and before the paint dries, they lay saran wrap on there, and then they pull it off or something, and it gets this design in it. darker color even on the bottom. This car might belong to a painter, professional painter. That's the same color down there. You can tell when the light hits it, it turns colors. That's what it is. There's so much something mixed in the paint. Swivel buckets. It's like a brand new car, man. I'm telling you. This is nice. Very nice car. Wow. Yeah, I'm not kidding. '58, and brother and sister here, aren't they? That one has the black. This one has you could call it brown, just as easy as anything. I don't really notice how much until just the way they look. How much that bubble is there at the instrument panel on the '58.
I got a thing there, but it's got magnets on it. Nice car. You know, I think I watched that thing go across the damn emblem. Came off on the way from Beirut to here.
But that ain't wasn't cheap.
I bet it ain't gonna be cheap.
I'll be looking for it.
There's one that went after this.
Man, his emblem fell off. Polo green. This one's a '59. It has the factory fuel injection in there. That one didn't have the hood up, did it? You can really get a good look at the fiberglass underneath there. Got a little mouse motor tucked in there. A GMC truck. Nice pair of beds. Over here at the Rural King. Pretty nice, beautiful farm store in there. Over here, first Saturday of the month car show. Rod Knockers. Marion, Ohio. Brother Rippy, thank you. A little bigger show than I thought. This truck's won some trophies. I think it was the same one. Built here in Ohio. I meant to go take a tour of the place and have stuff come along and Battle Creek, Michigan. Battle Creek from the 50s or something or other. 62. Yeah, they've got it just covered up. Huh. Here's the sun again. Marion.